Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to use two most powerful function, let plus filter function in Excel. Okay, so this is the table, and our goal is to filter out employees who are from IT department located in Mumbai, have salaries over 65,000 and are active. Okay, so this is the table from where we are going to filter out employees, and here I want to filter out the employee, so we will use let plus filter function for this goal. Okay, so we are going to use function here, this function here, okay, in formula bar, because it is lengthy function. So you have to just click on here in formula bar equals to, then let. Okay, now we will define the name data. So data will be this whole table. Okay, comma department, so we will name it depth. Okay, so department is this, comma location, so we will name location to lock this. Okay, comma salary, so we will make it sal, so sal is this. Okay, then comma status. Okay, status, so status is this one. Okay, now we have defined, and it means that we have told the Excel that data, which is data, which is department, which is location column, which is salary column, which is status column. Now we will going to filter out, so just use filter function. Now click on here, filter range. Then so we want to find out data, so you have to enter data, comma, now here in bracket, so department, so you have to type department depth. Okay, you have to use same in same case. Okay, as I have used here lowercase, so you have to use this lowercase here. Then department equal to depth equal to inverted comma IT. Okay, inverted comma close, bracket close. Now into, so which filter also, location, we have to enter location, so lock is equal to, now inverted comma Mumbai. Okay, now again here bracket close. Okay, now again into cell should be more than, cell should be more than 65,000. Okay, bracket close, now comma, now into, no comma, into. Okay, bracket open. Now status, type status. Okay, status should be active. Okay, you have to just inverted comma, status should be active. Now inverted comma close, bracket close, again close. This is filter and this is last one. Okay, 3 bracket closed. Okay, then enter. Now you will see Neha, name of the employee, IT department Mumbai, salary 68,000 and has active status. So like this you can use this let plus filter function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.